The starting point of everything comes from the awe of the word manufacturing. Hongxun Electronics, founded in Guangzhou in 2007, has been focusing on one thing for nearly 20 years, creating a clear vision with professional manufacturing. We are a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales of LCD TV and TV kits, always adhering to the principle of manufacturing as the foundation, quality as the soul. What drives this side is professional R&D in manufacturing, based on the Internet of Things and intelligent systems. Hongxun R&D team has continuously broken through the core technologies of high color gamut and low power consumption, and realized the industrialization of advanced technologies such as QLED and mini-LED. Behind each screen is a rigorous process design and reliable manufacturing system. Forging this side is a strict standard of intelligent manufacturing. In the standardized workshop, many modern production lines operate precisely. From millimeter scale structure Seiko to integrated module molding, every link strictly follows the manufacturing process specifications. We are equipped with advanced aging test system and high and low temperature environment laboratory to verify the multi-dimensional reliability of each screen to ensure the stable performance of products in various application scenarios. Supporting this side is the independent manufacturing capability of the whole chain. We control the quality from the source and build a complete industrial chain from the core components to the assembly of the whole machine. With independent intelligent manufacturing technology and rigorous quality process, we can fulfill our professional commitment to each screen and ensure that the products delivered to customers can stand the test of time and market. This side is presented by a professional product matrix covering the whole scene. From home LED, 4K Smart TV to commercial display solutions, from core motherboard to multi-customized modules, Hongxun relies on professional manufacturing strength to integrate a screen into thousands of scenes, to meet the diverse needs of global customers for high-quality display. This is witnessed by the internationally recognized professional quality. We strictly implement the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14000 Environmental Management System, and SAE 8000 Social Responsibility Management System standards, and build a win-win symbiotic supply chain ecosystem. The acquisition of many authoritative certifications is not only the embodiment of Hongxun's manufacturing strength, but also the hardcore endorsement of professional manufacturing. Through this side, connect the world. Our products are exported to more than 150 countries and regions hand in hand with top screen and core component suppliers. Hongxun is based on professional manufacturing, making every screen a reliable node connecting global culture and economy.
We have taken 10 years of heat to achieve the ultimate in this aspect, and in the next decade, what Hongxun needs to do is to surpass this aspect.
Beyond this is the blueprint for the future. Hongxun will continue to cultivate technological innovation and intelligent manufacturing. Use screen as a medium. Connect the horizon of all things. Expand the global market and strive to become the world's leading supplier of audio-visual equipment. Let the professionalism of Made in China become a window for the world to see the future.